Today we've got the Smith-Rubin K-31. It's a basic revision of the Smith-Rubin rifles, which started out around as early as 1899, 1898. This particular rifle was in service from 1931 to 1958. In 1958 it was replaced by the STG 58, chambered in 7.5 by 55. This rifle is also chambered in the 7.5 by 55mm Swiss cartridge. Uses a 308 diameter bullet. The brass is still very easy to get. A lot of guys load these with 168 grain Match Kings and they shoot really nice. It's got a very unique operation to it that we're going to show you in some close-up shots here in a moment. Very good gun, straight pull bolt action. So it doesn't have any kind of turning mechanism. You'll see how the bolt comes in a moment because I'm going to show you some close-ups. From about 31 to 44 they made these walnut stocks. From about 44 to 58 they made them with beechwood stocks. So you can generally tell the dates of the guns just by the color of the stock. Walnut will be an early gun, beechwood will be a later gun. This gun right here is a 1958 last year production. This one right here is a 1944 K-31. So this is last year they made walnut stocks that Chad has here. And this is the last year they made the gun, period. The gun you see right here has the St. Marie clamp-on scope mount. Does not require any modification to the rifle at all. It clamps into the thumb groove and you're good to go. So we're going to shoot both these rifles at long distance, 440 yards on a 16-inch round gong. Let's get some close-ups of the gun. The front sight post is adjustable for windage with a specially designed windage adjustment tool they sell. And of course it has these two nice large steel ears that protect the front sight post. There's a shot of the Swiss crest. It's one of the things I've always liked about these rifles. Uses pretty much a Mauser style rear sight, tangent style sight, adjustable in pretty much the same way. From 100 to 1500 meters. Very nice sights. The action on this rifle is very unique. The way it works is when you pull back on this handle, there's actually camming cuts that are cut into an outer sleeve. The physical bolt mechanism rides in the middle of this sleeve, and that's what unlocks it and locks it. The locking lugs are actually on the outer sleeve. The interior bolt is kept within this outer sleeve. When you slam the bolt home, this arm inside of the camming surface cams the bolt shut. When you're firing a K-31 or any straight pull Swiss rifle, you have to make sure to give the bolt a nice slap to make sure that it's locked, okay? This cocking piece right here actually doubles as your safety. Pull back and rotate. The rifle's on safe, you can't open the bolt. Pull back, rotate the other way, and you're able to fire. Very simple arrangement. The gun uses a detachable 6-round magazine that is loaded with 6-round chargers, as seen here. All right. K-31 uses a regular steel butt plate, not unlike a Mauser rifle. The neat thing about the Swiss K-31s is that if you look under the butt plate, many times you can find the previous owner's name on a slip of paper under the butt plate. It has his unit, his address, and his name. All right, I took the butt plate off of my 1958 K-31, and there's a gentleman that used to own my rifle. He was born in 1932, and I guess his last name is Fritz. What's that, Roy Fritz? So if any of my viewers in Switzerland are watching this and you know this guy or knew him, if he was your grandpa or whatever, let me know. And I'll definitely do what I can to get this rifle back to you. Here's his service number right there. That's probably doubles. I guess, I don't know if they have social security numbers in Switzerland or not, but I think that's his service number. Hit it.
9 o'clock. Hit at 6 o'clock, 2 inches from the bottom. Right under it, about an inch. Went to the left about an inch. 9 o'clock. Hit at 10 o'clock. One inch to the left, 9 o'clock. Inch over the top of it, 12 o'clock. Hit, 6 o'clock, 2 inches off the bottom. Hit, 6 o'clock. Hit, 3 o'clock. Hit, dead center. Show off.
Mm-hmm.
Hit, 3 o'clock. Hit, dead center. Hit, 9 o'clock. Hit, dead center.
Good shot there.
2-inch groove. Hit, 9 o'clock. Hit, dead center. Hit, dead center. Same place.